Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. Perplexity AI introduced new browser which is support fully integrate AI. That means this browser fully AI browser. So they publish their public version. So now you can easily download and use Perplexity AI browser on your computer. So now I will going to install it and I will show you how to use it on Windows 11 PC. So first of all, I open my browser and then I search Comet Browser and hit enter. This is the official website of Comet Browser. I click on it and this is the download button. So I click on download Comet. Now I click on start download button, download completed. So I double click on setup file and click on start install. It will take few minutes to install on Windows 11 PC. So we need to wait. Now it is installing the browser. So installation is completed. We see that launch Comet. So we click on launch Comet. It's taking time to get started. So I click on get started. So I import my install Mania browser data and click on import. I type name and click on continue and click on start Comet. So that's it. My browser is ready to go. So now I can easily search anything here. So in this video, I will show you how to install Comet Browser on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.